We'll guide you through how to add transition effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Edit page, where you can see your timeline. Once you're there, import your clips by dragging them into the media pool and then onto the timeline. Place your clips on the timeline where they should be, with the point where you want the transition happening at the cut between two clips. Next, go to the Effects library, which you can find on the top left of your screen. Click on it and then navigate to the Video Transitions section. Here, you'll see a variety of transitions like cross-dissolve, wipes, and more. You can preview each transition by hovering over it. Once you've decided on a transition, click and drag it directly onto the cut between your two clips on the timeline. You'll see the transition icon appear at the cut. If you want to adjust the duration of the transition, you can do so by clicking on the edge of the transition icon on the timeline and dragging it to the desired length. To fine-tune the transition, you can click on it and then go to the inspector on the right. Here, you can adjust the parameters such as duration, style, or even add ease in and out for a smoother look. Play back your timeline to see how the transition looks. If you're happy with it, you're good to go. If not, you can always go back and adjust or try a different effect. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.